recording this?
Yeah, go for it, yeah.
Definitely might buy one of these GoPros.
Say again?
I might buy one of these GoPros.
Yeah.
Because it's just easy to film, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to like get your phone out.
Exactly, yeah. But the lens makes a big difference. I thought I'd trial and error. Because the lenses are really good as well. GoPro winning competition with DJI Osmo now as well, so hopefully the prices will keep in touch.
That view behind us. Where, do you want to ski all the way to 1500, do you?
Yeah.
Where do you want to get the drone out? At the start of the green run
If I
down?
spot somewhere soon, spot a nice place, get it out in the next hour. So just try and keep away from people. Find the right spot.